Meteorologist Chris Haddings here once again. You're seeing me. You know there's some bad weather on the way. Has been rather chilly the past couple of days. That will continue through the week, and also some snow thrown in on top of that as well. Will be a little bit of wind as this system goes through as well, especially across southern Wyoming. These gusts may actually not be strong enough. I could see gusts maybe to 50 miles per hour at times around Rock Springs. But most areas will see gusty winds from time to time pretty much through Thursday night. So in other words, it's Wyoming, it's April. This isn't too far out of the ordinary. Now, as far as the impacts and the expected snow, pretty much through the day tomorrow, we don't expect a lot of impacts. There will be a couple of snow showers around, but you have to get stuff done during the day tomorrow. You should have no problem. Now, the first main batch of snow will start in the southwest during the nighttime hours on Tuesday night, then spread to the north and east as we head through Wednesday morning. And we'll see periods of snow on and off pretty much all the way through Thursday night, maybe into Friday as well. Now, there will be some mixing with rain possible. It is April. This isn't a really, really cold system. So during the day, especially places like Riverton, maybe down toward Casper, you could see a little bit of mix with rain also around Rock Springs. Could hold accumulations down just a bit during the daytime hours. Now, timing of the exact periods of the snow is very uncertain. Now, I want you to picture this. Now, it's like a machine basically. See an engine, everything has to run completely. And those of you know that work on machines, the more moving parts you have, the more things that can go wrong. So if you have one moving part that goes off, it could throw things off. So I can't really predict past Tuesday night. There will be a period of snow there, but in the future, I can't really pinpoint it's going to snow hard between X time and X time in this location. We just aren't at that stage yet. And one more thing to point out, the total accumulation you're going to see is not what you're going to see on your front lawn. This could be similar to what we had back in the first part of September. Sun is very strong this time of year. It's about the equivalent in late August. So if it comes down during the day, unless it comes down really, really hard, it's probably not going to stick on the roads. It might not even stick on the lawn and the grassy surfaces if there's bare ground out there. So roads are going to be wet during many areas during the daylight hours unless it comes down really, really hard. So the main travel problems will probably be at night, especially in the higher elevations where it'll be a little cooler. Now we're going to do something a little different here with the snowfall amounts. To give you a little range of possibilities here, a little probabilistic forecasting is what we call it. So this is the low end amount, I think. You should see at least this much. Now keep in mind, this is going to fall over a couple of days, so not a big dump all at once. Bullseye, Lander, expect at least 6 inches over a couple of days there. Maybe less than an inch around Casper. There's going to be some warmer air in place here, so there could be some better chance of mixing with rain in that area. A couple inches in the Bighorn Basin, maybe up to an inch in Rock Springs. Afton, about 2 inches. Now we go to the likely worst case scenario. Everything sets up right. We get a little bit colder than we think. It's a pretty big range of possibility there. Some places, Lander could see as much as 15 inches, maybe close to a foot around Riverton. Buffalo, Johnson County, anywhere from 6 to 10. About 6 to 10 around Casper. And out west, anywhere from about 3 inches in Jackson Hole down to about 8 inches in Kemmerer. At this point, it looks like anywhere from the southern two-thirds of the state to see the most snow out of this. Now our best guesstimate for the most likely accumulation right now, and this probably will change, so take this with a grain of salt, obviously. You can see about 4 to 6 inches around Riverton. The big winner out of this Lander, we got that northeasterly flow. It tends to upslope against the mountains. Could be up to a foot there. 1 to 2 inches around Jackson. Higher amounts as you head further south. A few inches around the I-80 corridor. About 2 to 3 inches around Casper. That'll be lower elevations. Casper Mountain could pick up a lot more than that, obviously. And anywhere from about 3 to 6 inches across Johnson County. Vermontless could do pretty well, about 4 to 6 inches with lesser amounts as you head further north up toward the Montana border. And here's our usual resources for weather, road conditions. Again, emphasize, these are the places to go to road conditions. Don't call us for road conditions. We have no inside knowledge. If you want to check out the weather for yourself on our webcam page, go to weather.gov/REW, local programs, click on webcams by route. Be safe, everybody. Enjoy your evening.